I'm Steve Nuttall. I'm a research consultant at AAAA Research, and I run our automotive research practice.
And I'm Selwyn. I'm an account director within the automotive practice at ACA.
We're a research company. A lot of what we've done traditionally has been business to business research. So for automotive, that means speaking to the aftermarket. Either we're talking to independent mechanics and workshops, major groups, end customers. But our real focus and area of specialisation is in that aftermarket space.
Other than that, within the automotive practice, as Steve said, I'm really building that aftermarket space, and I think it is helping clients understand how they can use data more effectively.
The industry has always yearned to have, I think, good quality data to enable better business decision making, but I think it's been very patchy in the past. It's been quite inconsistent, and I think we're lucky to be able to move into a world where I think we will have a real wealth of data to be able to utilise. I think it's going to be a really exciting presentation that's going to give people a glimpse of the future, an understanding of where we stand at the moment, and a quick recap of the journey we've just trodden.